Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious plate of braised potatoes. Just look at that glossy sauce clinging to the potatoes. Golden, soft, and so comforting. This dish is perfect with a big bowl of steamed rice. Alright, let's get started. I've got 2 potatoes here. First, peel them and wash them clean. Then cut each one in half. Slice it once more down the middle, and then cut them into angled pieces. Once they are cut, give them a rinse in clean water to wash off the extra starch. And don't forget to drain them really well because we don't want any excess water going to the wok. For aromatics, I've got some diced green pepper, red pepper, minced garlic, and a little chopped scallion. Everything is ready, let's start cooking. Heat some oil in the wok. Sprinkle in just a pinch of salt. And then add the potatoes. This little trick helps them soak up the flavor better. Keep stirring them gently over medium heat until the surface turns beautifully golden. Now we will season. Add a half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and about 5 grams of oyster sauce. Stir everything so the potatoes get coated and pick up that rich color. Next, pour in some hot water, just enough to cover the potatoes. Then add 1 teaspoon of MSG and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes until the potatoes turn soft and the sauce starts to thicken. Okay, time's up! The sauce has reduced nicely. Now toss in the green and red peppers, the minced garlic, and the scallions. Right before we finish, drizzle in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Give it all a quick stir, and we are done. Look at that, soft potatoes in rich, glossy sauce. Doesn't this just make you hungry? Scoop a big spoonful of these potatoes over some rice. It's so soft and saucy. Every bite just melts. Let me try one. That's insanely fragrant. The potatoes are tender, rich, and savory with a little garlicky kick. Trust me, you have to try this one at home. It's the ultimate rice killer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.